Lakshit.
I'm Chandana.
And I'm Swati of Grade 8 Excel Public School, Mysore.
To grow crops, farmers need water, which is why water conservation and management are so important.
We are Team Aquaroots, here to present our project, Blue Green Pumps, which is using a ram pump to water crops in a mixed farming setup.
A hydraulic ram pump is a type of pump that uses the energy of flowing water, such as from a stream or river, to move water to a higher elevation.
Compared to conventional pumps, a ram pump requires water flowing in from a higher elevation so that it operates without the need for electricity or fuel.
Ram pumps are ideal for irrigating farms in hilly areas, supplying water to rural homes or villages, and conserving energy and reducing operational costs.
We have interviewed different farmers from Anandur as part of our research to gain as much knowledge as possible regarding any and all irrigation difficulties they face in their life, as well as their take on vertical farming.
The ram pump we built uses 1-inch CPVC pipes and fittings with the waste and delivery valves being 1-inch spring check type.
Discharge at 3 feet head through the delivery line was found to be 1.07 liters per minute, and discharge through the waste valve was observed as 3.6 liters per minute.
We have planted ragi as the crop in conventional farming on the ground.
For vertical farming, we have grown palak, brinjal, and green chili on vertically stacked trays.
The ram pump is operated at a head of 3 feet and a load to discharge water through the delivery line hose pipe as well as the waste valve.
The water from the delivery valve is directed through 6 mm pipes to irrigate the crops in the vertical farming trays, and waste valve water is routed through a system of pipes by gravity to water the conventional farming crops to make the process more efficient.
Valves are in place such that water in each line can be shut off as and when required.
This project shows how we can save water and grow more food sustainably, even in areas where water is scarce.
Thank you.